DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri is a renowned name in the field of land surveying and mapping services. With years of experience and expertise, they have successfully completed numerous projects across various industries. The team at DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and tools to provide accurate and reliable surveying solutions. One of the key services offered by DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri is SCON design. SCON, which stands for Site Conditions Overhead Network, is a crucial aspect of infrastructure planning and development. It involves the analysis and evaluation of the existing overhead network conditions to ensure the safe and efficient installation of new infrastructure. DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri understands the importance of SCON design in infrastructure projects and employs a systematic approach to deliver optimal results. Their team of skilled surveyors conducts comprehensive site surveys to gather data on the existing overhead network. This data is then analyzed and processed using advanced software to generate detailed reports and design plans. The SCON design services offered by DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri include a range of activities such as assessing the condition of existing poles, cables, and other infrastructure components. They also consider factors like load capacity, clearance requirements, and safety regulations while designing the new infrastructure. The team works closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor the design plans accordingly. What sets DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri apart from their competitors is their commitment to accuracy and precision. They understand that even a small error in the SCON design can have significant consequences on the overall project. In addition to SCON design, DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri also offers a wide range of other surveying services including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, construction surveys, and more. In the business of providing mapping and land surveying services, DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri is well known. They have successfully completed countless projects across numerous industries thanks to their years of experience and skill. Modern equipment and instruments are available to the staff at DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri to deliver precise and trustworthy surveying solutions. SCON design is one of the main services provided by DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri. Site Conditions Overhead Network, or SCON, is an essential component of infrastructure design and development. In order to ensure the secure and effective installation of new infrastructure, it entails the investigation and assessment of the overhead network conditions currently in place. Ram Puri of DGPS Surveyors is aware of the significance of SCON design for infrastructure projects and uses a methodical approach to produce the best outcomes. Their team of knowledgeable surveyors conducts thorough site inspections to collect information on the current overhead network. Advanced software is then used to evaluate and interpret this data in order to produce in-depth reports and design blueprints. DGPS Surveyors Ram Puri provides a variety